Quick little ammo haul. As y'all can see, picked up some Blazer Taser laser ammunition. Aluminum cased. I picked up 200 rounds of this stuff. It was the cheapest I could find. Y'all can see that aluminum bullet. So this was the cheapest I can find. They told me I can get maximum of 4 boxes. So I said charge it to the game. Picked some of that up. Got some MagTech 9mm and got some Salyer and Billet. Never shot that one. Never shot this one. I have shot aluminum case ammo. I ran it through my M&P shield that you see right here. And I ran it through my M&P 2.0 compact. No problems. I've run all kind of ammos through those two guns. No problems. Steel case, brass, aluminum, some reloads. No problems. But y'all know I got the new gun on the channel, which is the Canik. So we're about to see what if Canik likes this aluminum ammunition. We're gonna see. Blazer. We'll see. All right, man. Y'all stay safe. Stay strapped. Stay blessed.